You're not going to believe this. My neighbor needs to get braces.
Why is this hard to believe?
He's an adult. He is an adult and needs braces.
Then it is good that he will get them. To have an attractive smile, a person's teeth really need to be properly aligned. It is absolutely stunning how a person's appearance improves after their teeth are straightened.
Really?
Not only that, there can also be serious health reasons to straighten teeth too.
Really?
Poorly aligned teeth tend to wear faster than normal. They can be more prone to cavities. And they can cause a poor bite that creates all kinds of problems.
I am sure you are right. He's just really embarrassed about the idea of wearing metal braces like some 13-year-old.
Oh, that. I do understand. But your neighbor needs to know there is another way to straighten teeth that is not embarrassing. It is called Invisalign.
What?
Invisalign. The truth is, many more adults are straightening their teeth today than ever before.
Are teeth in general more crooked than ever before?
No. But now they can straighten their teeth with no one knowing they are straightening their teeth.
How do they keep it a secret? Oh, Invisalign.
Right. Invisalign are much less aggressive types of braces than conventional metal braces. It is a nearly invisible clear plastic liner that fits over the teeth like a very thin plastic mouth guard.
That is cool. Did I ever tell you that I wanted to be invisible when I was young?
I did not know that.
I thought if I concentrated really hard, I could make myself disappear. I haven't tried for years. I will try now. I'm concentrating really hard. There. Did it work?
My goodness. Where did you go?
It didn't work, did it?
Not so much. Listen, I couldn't make you invisible, but I can straighten teeth so practically no one will know. Plus, straightening teeth with Invisalign is much cleaner than with metal braces.
Cleaner?
With traditional metal braces, food particles get caught in the wires.
And I bet metal braces make it harder to brush and floss food away.
You win that bet. Patients with metal braces have a greater tendency to get tooth decay because teeth are harder to clean. You can sometimes end up with gum disease, or even root canals if the patient is not taking extra care about cleaning teeth while wearing braces. But, with Invisalign, the clear liners are removable.
You can take them out.
You take them out when you eat and when you floss and brush your teeth.
That is fantastic.
Invisalign is not just for grown-ups. Teenagers can use them too.
Great idea. Someone who is 15 or 16 years old doesn't want to look like a little kid wearing braces either. Teenagers are very self-conscious. I was. Did I mention I wanted to be invisible?
We actually have something called Invisalign Teen that we can use for teenagers.
Can children use Invisalign?
Yes, but we usually use metal braces on them. That is partly because many children are not that disciplined to wear Invisalign all the time.
So which works better on people? Metal braces or Invisalign?
They each work really well. But not everyone is a candidate for Invisalign. If your teeth are extremely crooked or your bite is severely misaligned, you are better off with metal braces. But it really takes a specially trained dentist or orthodontist to make that decision.
But if you have a choice, is one faster?
Every case is different, but Invisalign seems to be faster in most cases. When you come into the dentist office, special measurements are taken of your teeth. You also choose how you want your final smile to look, and all this information is sent to the special Invisalign lab where computers individually design the plastic liners for each patient.
That sounds very cool.
They create a series of liners that you wear one after another, each gently moving your teeth a little bit more than the last one.
That sounds very cool.
Invisalign tends to work faster because instead of dentists bending wires and seeing if it will move the tooth into the desired position, the Invisalign liners are all preset to move the teeth step by step in a very predictable manner.
Fantastic. Who knew something you barely can see could be so great?
Remember, crooked teeth can create serious problems for your health. Visit your orthodontist or dentist today to find out how to have healthy straight teeth.